January 12th, 2021 practice. Sally goes to gas station A and buys 25 gallons of gas for $91.75. Jane goes to gas station B and buys 16 gallons of gas for $58.40. Who paid more per gallon? So first of all, we need to take a look. Sally goes to gas station A, so station A, 25 gallons for $91.75. Remember, money on top. So let's take a look at our gas station A. $91.75. And that is going to be for 25 gallons. And then we can divide now. So $91.75 divided by 25. So we are going to be able to pop that decimal right up. 25 can go into 91, 3 times. 25 times 3 is 75. We're going to subtract that 9 becomes an 8 to make that 1 an 11. 11 minus 5 is going to be 6. 8 minus 7 is 1. We're going to drop down that 7. So now we have 167. Let's see, I think it can go in 5 times. No, 6 times. 25 times 6. 25 times 6, I believe, is 150, if I'm thinking of quarters correctly. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Yes, it is. So 150. All right, and then we subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. Whoa, that made a perfect line. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. Or 1 minus 1 is 0. Whoa, bring down that 5. Oh, my goodness. All right, now we're going to take a look and see, okay, well, how many times can 25 go into 175? So that is actually going to be 7 times. So 25 times 7 is, in fact, 175. We're going to subtract and we get 0. So her price for gas station A is $3.67 for 1 gallon. I'm just going to put GAL for gallon, I should say. All right, so we have our next one. Remember, money on top. For the next one, let's go green. Jane goes to gas station B and buys 16 gallons of gas for $58.40. So 16 gallons, $58.40. Remember, $58.40 goes on top because money goes on top. That is for 16 gallons. So I'm going to put gal for gallons. No, I'll put gallons. Now let's divide $58. I don't like that. Let's do it up here. $58.40 divided by 16. I don't like how I put that there either. Oh my goodness. Divided by 16, we are able to pop up that decimal. So now, how many times can 16 go into 58? Let's see. 16, what do you want to try? 3? 3 times 6 is going to be 18. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 48. Yeah, 48. So we'll have times 3, which is 48. We're going to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down that 4. How many times can 16 go into 104? Let's try, what do you want to try? 5, 6? Let's try 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6. 7, 8, 9. 96. Let's try 7 times. Let's try times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 1 is 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 112. So that's too much. So it's going to have to be 6 times. And remember that 6 times 6 is 36. 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's going to be 96 here. And we are going to subtract. Now we have 4 minus 6 we can't do. So that 1 becomes a 0 to make that a 9. To make this a 14. 6 14 minus 6 is going to be 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep, it's going to be 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So we are going to bring down that 0 here. How many times can 16 go into 80? 16. Let's try it times 5. 5 times 6 is going to be 30. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. Perfect. It'll be 5 times. And it's going to be 80. And we're going to subtract so we get 0. So $3.65 for 1 gallon of gas. Now our question says, who paid more per gallon? So who paid more? Who paid more? Station A for Sally or station B for Jane? So who paid more? $3.67 versus $3.65. Well, $3.67 is more. So who paid more was gas station A, and gas station A was Sally. So our answer is going to be Sally. Sally paid more. So we want to go where Jane went. And that's going to be it for our practice. Great job!